Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. We are just like jumping right on in here. I am showing you guys a little activity that I planned out for Adelina. We just have some of those little pom-pom balls, some Elmer's glue, and a little styrofoam pumpkin. Just heads up, this glue did not work for this pumpkin. We had to resort to using something else that did end up like letting the little pom-poms stick on there. It was trial and error, but it was such a little fun activity, and you know, hey, it let me drink my coffee, so we're here for it. You need some more? Here, I'll put some more. Okay, there you go. There's more.
Baby to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy house.
This is her final little pumpkin. No, it's not final. You're not done. Oh, don't punch it. We were showing our friends your project that you did.
Tablespoons. Ready? One. Oh, that was about 1.5, maybe. 2. Oh, that should be.
We probably should have put the cookie mix in first.
Oh. Well. You see it? 4 more in there. All of it? Yeah.
Here, there you go.
Good job. We're gonna open it. Whoa, you did it! All around. Good job. Here, let me help you.
It's hard, huh? Yeah, we had to cook them still or bake them.
Keep mixing it.
See, look, it's getting better.
You got all the ingredients in there.
Ooh, you're right. Hey. Eyeballs?
I'm making, guys, look what I made. Patrick.
Patrick's dog.
He's melting.
Alright. Lots of family fun tonight while the cookies are baking.
The viewers can't see what I'm doing. No.
And there's the wind. So like
Viewers can't see.
The viewers
I want to
can't
make
see
a
until I'm
spider.
done. I'm gonna make a cool thing.
Here, can I
viewers
use a
can't
little bit
see.
of clay from somebody? Just a little ball?
Wait. I got a little one.
A little bit bigger than that.
I got Mom.
Like that, yeah. Perfect, perfect.
Daddy. Cuckoo.
Big. Cuckoo.
Right, make him throw up.
Solomon, why does everything have to be so gory?
No, throw for the
It's like,
beast.
oh, it's like a cute little spider. Well, I don't know, it looks like a strawberry with legs, but spiders have 8 legs.
Bye.
Hi, spider. You like it? Do you want to see it?
The viewers can see what I made. It's
All right,
so
I'll
cool.
Solomon's masterpiece.
What are you making? I can see what comes.
I'm making a person. Trying to. He's gonna be shooting some.
He's shooting a gun.
Solomon.
I'm trying to think how
I'm gonna make his lines that go up his shoulder.
We're doing making a jersey?
Yeah. I'm making the little stripes that go up your shoulder.
Very detailed.
This. Mommy, I'm gonna go. This. Mommy, I'm gonna go.
Oh, okay.
Someone's gonna maybe make the jersey.
No detail in
The
it.
final result. He doesn't have a number. He's number 0.
I have a witch hat.
Good job, Solomon. Yes, love?
Come.
Come. Hi.
Hatchet.
Also wanted to document this for the vlog that Carlos is playing with the Play-Doh longer than Adelina is. And Solomon, was this a fun idea?
Why, SpongeBob? Why?
My creation of the night. So we decided to grab pizza for dinner, and I am just showing you guys because, oh my goodness, it was incredibly delicious. My goodness. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's vlog. We are honestly not doing much. Literally, if you could tell by my face, we are just chilling. I was trying to paint like a little pumpkin thing. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but I was trying to paint like this little pumpkin thing that I'm trying to put outside as like a little, not focal point, but like, I don't know, I'm trying to be crafty. This is the little like pumpkin thing that I was trying to paint. It's literally just like the little trick-or-treat baskets. I have 3 of them and I was gonna stack them on top of each other, but I only got to paint 1, and Lena's gonna do a little arts and craft project now. I forgot that I had these, so we're gonna use these paints. I literally just put like a trash bag down. I just put a trash bag down and I have all of our paints here. You can see the paint that I was using, but I literally have my phone here. And I was looking up different fall things to do. Like, that's cute. I love, wow, that's kind of the same thing. Where is it?
Mommy!
That tree's cute. So
Mommy!
yeah. Hi. An owl. Okay, let me open up this paint, and then we will go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and have you, I'll do the little owls first, and then Mommy will paint the tree after, yeah? Yeah, sound good? Okay, here's the brown paint. Bloop. Brown, good job. Which hand do you want to use first? This has white on it because I was doing my thing, but... Okay, can you turn it over like that? Yeah, like that, but leave it out flat, okay? And here, let's move it. We'll move this on the side so we don't get it dirty. Let's go bloop bloop, plop pleep, huh? Let's move it to the side so we don't get it on here in case we mess up, okay? Okay, leave your hand out. It's gonna feel tickly. Does it feel tickly?
Okay.
Yeah? It feels cool, huh? Okay, so here it looks like the owls are upside down, but you can honestly just put it how you want right now, normal, and then Mama can flip it around and make the tree whichever way. All right. And 1, 2. You moved it a little bit. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Good job! Just try to get all of this brown paint. Alright. Different one in the meantime. Yeah, paint, huh? Whoa. You okay?
No.
No?
Okay.
You're okay? Alright, that's good. Alright.
Wow.
Oh, it's brown? Alright, ready? Careful, careful. Put your hand flat, flat, flat. And right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Good job! That one looked awesome. Yeah, next one. Okay, hold on. Let's clean our hands first, okay? And then we'll show our friends. Look how cute her little hands came out, you guys. That's the first one. And that's the second one. It's okay. This is what it's supposed to look like, but I'm gonna flip it around and do the tree afterwards. Here's her like dirty little things. All right, let's do the next one. That hand. Okay. Which color? Yellow, orange, or red?
Red.
Red? All right. 1, 2. 1. Ooh, that looks awesome. Okay, one of us is having fun. Okay, hands flat, 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 flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, thank you. That looks cool. It's fine. It looks cool. Okay, so we were gonna do a tree, and then Adelina just started stamping her hand, but I actually like it. One, two, three. You did it! It's a tree. Do you want to do another yellow one or no? One yellow? Okay, hold on. Let me wipe the rest of your hands because it still has red on it.
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna put it. Woo! Woo! Awesome. Do you want to do more, or are you done? You're done? Oh, more? Okay. You want to do the other hand or this hand? Which hand do you want to do? That one? Okay. Red or orange?
Yeah.
Red or orange?
Ash.
Orange? All right. Yes. Wow. I have an artist on my hands, you guys. Look at this. Wow. That's so beautiful. You make such good art. You're the best. You are the best. Yes. Okay, we'll wash your hands.